From the pages of history. There are many stories hidden in the pages of history that connect us to our past. One such story is of green chilies, which are an important part of our food. Green chilies have a very old history. It is not just a spice, but a cultural heritage. Green chilies have been used in various civilizations since ancient times. Its birthplace is considered to be Mexico and South America. The fertile land and climate here provided a favorable environment for green chilies to flourish. People here used to include green chilies in their food and use them in various ways. It is believed to have been in use for about 7,000 years. In ancient civilizations, green chilies were used not only in food, but also for medicinal properties. It was considered beneficial not only for enhancing taste, but also for health. Green chilies came to India in the 15th century through Portuguese traders. Portuguese traders brought with them many spices and crops, including green chilies. Gradually, it became an integral part of the Indian kitchen. Today, it has become an integral part of Indian cuisine. Green chilies are used in various ways in Indian dishes. Be it chutney, vegetables, or pickles, green chilies have made their mark everywhere. There are many varieties of green chilies available in Indian markets, which are available in different flavors and levels of spiciness. Green chilies have given Indian food a unique taste and identity. The spice of an Indian thali. In India, food seems incomplete without green chilies. Be it North Indian or South Indian, green chili makes its place everywhere. It adds life not only to vegetables, but also to pickles, chutneys, and many dishes. Some people even like to eat it raw. A treasure of nutrition. Green chilies may look small, but they are a treasure trove of nutrition. It is rich in vitamins A, B6, C, and K. Apart from this, it also contains minerals like iron, potassium, copper, and magnesium, which are very important for our body. Abundance of vitamins and minerals. Green chilies are rich in vitamin C, which helps in boosting immunity. Vitamin A is beneficial for the eyes. The iron present in it removes anemia in the body. Potassium helps in controlling blood pressure. A boon for health. The nutrients present in green chilies make it a boon for health. It keeps the digestive system healthy and provides relief from constipation. The antioxidants present in it help the body fight many diseases. It also helps in weight loss. Green chilies. Caution and usage. Although green chilies are beneficial for health, their excessive consumption can also be harmful. Eating too much green chili can cause heartburn, acidity, and mouth ulcers. Therefore, it should be consumed in limited quantities. Beyond the kitchen, unique uses of green chilies. The use of green chilies is not limited to the kitchen. Not only does it make our food spicy and delicious, but it also has many other uses that might surprise you. It is also used as a pain reliever. The capsaicin element present in green chilies helps in reducing pain. This element increases the level of endorphins in the body, which provides relief from pain. Applying green chili paste on the forehead provides relief from headaches. It is a natural remedy that works without any side effects. Apart from headaches, it can also provide relief from migraine pain. Apart from this, green chilies are also used as pesticides. Spraying a solution of green chilies on plants protects them from pests. It is an organic and eco-friendly method that can be a good alternative to chemical pesticides. Green chilies are also used in traditional and cultural practices. In many places, it is hung on the door of the house to ward off the evil eye. It is an old belief that the combination of green chilies and lemon keeps away negative energy. Green chilies are also used in beauty treatments. Applying green chili paste on the face brings glow to the skin and also reduces acne. The antioxidant elements present in it keep the skin healthy and young. Green chilies are also used in home remedies. Consuming green chilies provides relief from cold and cough. Vitamin C and antibacterial properties present in it strengthen the immune system. Thus, green chilies have countless uses that make our daily life easy and healthy. Next time you see a green chili, remember that it is not just a spice, but also a versatile medicine. Green chilies, a confluence of taste and health. Friends, green chilies are a unique blend of taste and health. You can enjoy its benefits by consuming it in limited quantities. So use green chilies in your kitchen today and stay healthy.